Hey everyone, welcome back to AI World. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and revolutionary advancements in AI, Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. By the end of this video, you'll understand what GANs are, how they work, and the incredible things they can do. So, let's get started. What are GANs? First things first, what exactly is a GAN? A generative adversarial network is a type of machine learning model where two neural networks compete against each other. Think of it like a game where one player tries to create something new, and the other player tries to figure out if it's real or fake. The player creating new content is called the generator, and the player trying to detect if it's real or fake is called the discriminator. The generator's goal is to produce data that looks like the real thing. This could be images, music, text, you name it. Meanwhile, the discriminator's job is to distinguish between the real data and the fake data generated by the generator. Over time, both networks improve, leading to the creation of incredibly realistic data. How GANs work? Now, let's break down how GANs actually work. Imagine you're trying to forge a painting by a famous artist. The generator is like the forger. It tries to create a painting that looks just like the original. The discriminator is like the art critic, who tries to determine if the painting is a forgery or the real deal. At first, the generator's attempts might be pretty bad, blurry, or missing details. But every time the discriminator catches the forgery, the generator learns from its mistakes and tries again. On the flip side, the discriminator also gets better at spotting the fakes. This back and forth continues until the generator gets so good that even the discriminator can't tell the difference. Challenges in ethics, of course. With great power comes great responsibility. GANs have some ethical challenges. For example, they can be used to create deepfakes, videos where someone's face is swapped onto another person's body, making it look like they said or did something they didn't. While GANs are incredibly powerful, it's crucial to use them responsibly. The AI community is actively working on solutions to prevent misuse, like developing better ways to detect deepfakes and ensuring that GANs are used ethically. The future of GANs. So, what's next for GANs? As the technology continues to evolve, we're likely to see even more realistic content generation, from photorealistic videos to fully AI-generated virtual worlds. GANs could revolutionize industries like entertainment, design, and even education. The future of GANs is incredibly exciting, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. That's all for today's video on GANs. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most fascinating areas of AI. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.